Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Hope everyone are fine using mask, sanitizer, staying at home. Please do follow all the instructions given by the government for our sake to be healthy and to keep the society healthy. Right? So, let's start with the lesson. It seems that people were among the first in the subcontinent to use iron tools on a large scale. So the people were using these iron tools and all. They started using the iron tools in big number, in large. Many people started using them. They also practiced rice cultivation, means growing of rice crop, like paddy, in large scale using what? Tank water. All the stored tank water they are using for growing rice cultivation. They considered it important to worship the dead ancestors of the tribe by building such megalith memorials or burials. So they are believing that we need to worship our elders or the ancestors who have passed away, who have died. We need to build burials for them. In the memory of them, we need to build burials or megaliths. Like you all say, no, you have different what do you say, in the memory of the dead ancestors you'll be building that burials, writing a name on that, right? So they also thought in the memory of them we need to build those megaliths or burials. Megaliths of Telangana. A large number of burial sites have been found near hills. So yes, many of these burial grounds and all are found near the hills, right, or outside the cities, like very this open areas. In those areas, we can see this burial grounds is saying the same thing. Found near hills, fields, or irrigated tanks. Yes, even in the villages near irrigated tanks, in the fields, you are able to see this burial grounds and all. Almost all types of megalith monuments like mehris or large dressed rock stones, circles, dolmens were located in hundreds of villages in all the districts of Telangana. See the picture given below. So you're able to see the pictures, right? So all types of megaliths, like different burials they have constructed. So they sometimes they have been dressed, means putting some dress on that or cloth on that, decorating that on some occasions. Down they have given you the pictures, no, there you're able to see them. Megaliths burial contained a large variety of pottery like black and red, the black polished and the iron objects. So there you can see in the burials you can see the large pottery, means made of mud pottery, things like black and red soil, and they are polished and iron objects, mostly with iron pottery things you can able to see there. Handmade clay or stone, this handmade sarcophagi or containers for remains of the dead body and pots urns were found in some of the burials. So even for these burials they used to bring these containers, clay, handmade clay or stones. Teacher, for what they brought? So they used to give them or keep in the memory of them. They used to keep those things in the memory of the people who have buried or who have died and buried there. So in that burial grounds and all, you are able to see down the pictures which they have given, right? So there you are able to see that different burials and people are like giving cloth or covering that. All these things you are able to see in the picture. And we have different types of megalith shapes burial, not only one type. Nowadays we are able to see different shapes and sizes with a name written on that, right? If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. But please do follow all the instructions. You be safe and let others also be safe. Thank you.